Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start our session with a prayer. Okay? So, children, join your hands and repeat the prayer along with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. Once again repeat the prayer, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, today we will start with the numeracy subject. Okay? So, children, in numeracy we have started learning the numbers, right? So, which all numbers we have learned? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Yes, we have learned numbers from 0 to 6. हमने ये numbers 0 to 6 numeracy skill sheet book में practice की है. So tell me which number comes after 6? 7, right? Okay, so today we will learn the next two numbers 7 and 8. Very good. So children, you all know, right? How to write the number 7. हम सबको पता है ना number 7 कैसे लिखना है. First, we have to draw one sleeping line and then इसी को continue करके we have to draw one slanting line towards right. है ना? One more time, children. First, you have to draw one sleeping line and then you have to draw one slanting line towards. Tell me. Yes, you have to draw one slanting line. This line should be in the slanting position. ये आपका slanting line होना चाहिए. Okay? It should not be standing. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. This line should be your slanting line. Okay? Understood, children? Now the next number that we are going to learn is number 8. Right? How we will write the number 8? First you will draw one curve towards right. इसी को continue करके draw one curve towards left. And then you have to close this curve in this way. Understood? One more time. Curve towards right. Curve towards left. And close this curve in this way. Some children write first 0 and then again one more 0. But this is not the correct pattern, children. Okay? One more time, children, have a look how to write number 7. First draw one sleeping line and then draw one slanting line. Okay? And how to write number 8? Draw one curve towards right, one more curve towards left and close this curve in this way. Okay, children? Now we will see what all points, what all pages are given for you all in your numeracy skill sheet book to practice. So children, this is your numeracy skill sheet book in which you will practice number 7 and 8. Okay? So you have to open your page number 70. Okay? Till last lecture we have practiced page number 69, that is till page number 6, right? So today we will start with the number 7, that is your page number 70. So what you have to do here first? you have to first trace and write the number. This is your number 7. You all can see how it is given. First you have to draw one slipping line and then you have to draw one slanting line. Starting में आपको tracing dots दिए हैं. First you have to practice on these dots and then at the below you can find the blank boxes where you have to write the number 7. Okay children? So start tracing from up. First you have to draw one slipping line and then one slanting line. This is your number 7. Slipping line, slanting line. Again, slipping line, slanting line. Which number is this? Number 7. Understood children how to practice? You have to practice on all these dots. Okay? So children, you all can see that I have traced on these dots. Now it's turn to practice in the blank boxes. How you will write? You have to draw the slipping line on the blue line. First you have to draw one slipping line and then slanting line. You all can see that this line is slanting. ये standing line नहीं है. आपको slanting line ही करना है. Understood? First draw one slipping line and then one slanting line. Okay children? In this way you will complete all these empty boxes by writing number 7. Understood? After completing these boxes, this is your next part. What is given over here? Count the puddings and color the number. You can see these puddings, cupcakes, right? What you have to do is, you have to count how many puddings are here and then you have to color this number. First count how many puddings are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? How many puddings? 7 puddings. And which number is this? 7. We have counted this number of puddings and now we will color this number. Which number is this? 7. Okay children? So children, you all can see that I have colored this number 7 with the yellow color. So you can color with any of your favorite color. Okay. So this is your page number 70 in which you will practice how to write number 7 and then count the number of puddings and color this number 7. Okay. Then coming to your next page, that is page number 71. What is given on this page? Here is the concept. Count the objects and circle the correct number. It means you can see in these boxes there are number of objects. Candles, fish, monkey and jet. You have to count this number of objects and इसके बाजू में हर एक बॉक्स में नंबर्स दिए हैं ना, तो जितने भी नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उस नंबर को आपको सर्कल करना है. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the candles and then you can see the numbers. First count how many candles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 candles. And here where is the number 5? Here. So you have to circle this number 5. Understood? First you have to count the number of objects and then you have to circle the correct number. जितने भी number of object है उसे आपको circle करना है. Then coming to the fish. Count how many fishes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fishes. So over here where is the number 7? Here is the number 7. So you will circle this number 7. Understood? Then count how many monkeys are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is the number 6? This is the number 6. No. Which number is this? 3. This is the number 6, right? So you will circle number 6. Understood? And last with the jets, count how many are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where is the number 4? Here is the number 4. So you will circle this number 4. Understood? In this page, page number 71, you will count how many objects are there and then you will circle the correct number. Okay, children? So, children, after page number 71, after practicing number 7, here comes the next page. Turn your page, page number 72. In this page, you will practice number 8. Okay? So, first, what you will do? Trace and write the number and say it aloud. Over here, you can see, from here you have to start. Curve towards the right, then one big curve in this way. Okay? First you will trace on the dots. Look how I am tracing. First you have to draw one curve towards right. Then you have to close this curve in this way. Okay children? Understood? अगर आप इस डॉट्स पे प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना तो आपको फिर ब्लैंक बॉक्सेस में लिखना इजी हो जाएगा. One more time. Curve towards right, curve towards left and close the curve. Understood children? So first you will practice on this tracing dots. So children, after practicing on the tracing dots, you have to start writing in the blank boxes. Okay? How you will write? First you will draw one curve towards right and then curve towards left and then close this curve. देखा आपने? You should not remove the pencil. अपना pencil हटाओ मत. Continue लिखो. Then you will find easy. Curve towards right, curve towards left and close the curve. Understood? In this way, you will write the number 8. 2 बार 0 लिख के हमें number 8 नहीं लिखना है children. Until and unless you will practice, you will not get perfect and you will not be able to write. Okay? We should not use the shortcut methods. In this way, you will write the number 8. Understood? After writing the number 8 in the blank boxes, over here you have to count the cherries and color the number. You can see these cherries. First count how many cherries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 cherries. Which number is this? 8. तो हमने यहाँ पे cherries को count किया and now we have to color this number 8. Which color children? Any of your favorite color. Okay? So children, you all can see that I have colored this number 8 with the brown color. Okay? So you can use any of your favorite color. So on this page number 72, we have practiced how to write number 8. We have counted the number of cherries and we have colored this number 8. Okay? In page number 72. And then this is your last page for numeracy for today. That is page number 73 for number 8. What is given over here? Match the groups having 8 items to the number. Over here, children, you all can see in the middle there's the number 8. And at the sides you can see many objects, many items like duck, balloon, star, boat, ball, space jet, girl and flower. So what you have to do is, you have to first count. जैसे यहाँ पे ducks का एक बॉक्स दिया है ना, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू काउंट हाउ मेनी डक्स आर देयर. अगर उस पर्टिकुलर आइटम नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स अगर 8 है तो आपको इस नंबर से मैच करना है. फर्स्ट काउंट हाउ मेनी डक्स आर हियर. 1, 2, 3 and 4. इट मीन्स देयर आर ओनली 4 डक्स. बट अगर 8 होता तो हम इसे मैच करते थे. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? वी विल नॉट मैच दिस डक विद द नंबर 8. देन द नेक्स्ट इज balloons. Count how many balloons are there. 1 and 2. Will you match it with the number 8? No. Then comes the stars. Count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 stars. It means this group is having 8 items, that is 8 stars. So I will match these stars with the number 8 in this way. Very simple. आपको सिर्फ 8 आइटम्स जिस ग्रुप में है उस ग्रुप को इस नंबर से मैच करना है. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट कम द बोर्ड. काउंट हाउ मेनी बोर्ड्स आर हियर. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are only 5 boards. It means you will not match. अगर 8 होता तो हम मैच करते. Then you can see these colorful balls. Count how many balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balls. It means you will match this ball group to the number 8. Okay. Then here comes the space jet. Count how many jets are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means you will not match this. Then comes with this group of girl. Okay. Count how many doll girls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? There are only 7 girls. So you will match this? No. Last come the flowers. Count how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 flowers. It means you will match this with the number 8. Okay children? Understood? हर एक ग्रुप में जो भी आइटम्स दिए हैं आपको उसे सबसे पहले मैच करना है, काउंट करना है. अगर उस ग्रुप में 8 ऑब्जेक्ट्स है तो आपको उसे नंबर 8 से मैच करना है. Understood children? So this is your page number 73 and 72 in which you will practice number 8, and in page number 70 and 71 you will practice page number 7. Okay. So children, today we have learned number 7 and number 8 and we have practiced number 7 and 8 in this numeracy skill sheet book. So you have to start practicing the number starting from 0. Okay. आज जो नंबर हमने किया है ना वो भी करना है और जो नंबर्स हम कर चुके हैं वो भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. Understood children? Okay. So keep practicing. Practice. Complete your books. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.